Okay, here is the operation screen for this machine. This is the body handle one. Okay, here is the suction time for adjustment. You can increase or decrease, and here is the suction level. Also, you can choose by yourself. But normally we will start from three level. Okay. And here is the speed for the roller. Okay, adjust by yourself. And here is the RF power adjustment. And this is the direction for the roller. You can choose. There are 4 options. And here is the power adjustment for the infrared function. Okay, after setting, just press start. It's okay. And at the same time, you can adjust all the parameters on this screen. Just like you can press up or down to choose the function you want, and increase or decrease the power. It is okay. Okay, now we adjust the speed for the roller and the infrared function. We can adjust to the highest, and then here is the highest. You can see. Okay, before doing the treatment, we have to put some essential oil on the treatment part. And now we put the working handle on the treatment part. And you will feel the suction is working. Then move slowly, it's okay. Okay, this is the body handle tool, and you can adjust the vacuum time here and the vacuum level here. Okay, you can choose according to your requirement. And this is the RF power adjustment and the infrared power adjustment. Okay, and then press start. It's okay. And the same, you can adjust all the parameters on this screen. Okay, choose the function, increase or decrease. It's okay. Okay, now we will start the treatment. And the same, we need to put the essential oil on the treatment part. And this is the cavitation handle. And the same operation, adjust the vacuum time, okay, and the vacuum level here. And here's the power adjustment. Okay, you can choose according to your requirement, and then press start. It's okay. And the same operation here, you can set the parameters also. Okay, you can reduce up and down. Reduce or increase is okay. Okay, now we will start the treatment. We also need to put the essential oil on your treatment part. Okay, this is the eye and face working handle. And the same operation, here is the vacuum time and vacuum level setting. Okay, and this is the RF power setting. Okay, and here's the infrared. After setting everything, press start. It's okay. Okay, for the eye and face working handle, before doing this treatment, we also need to put the essential oil on your face and on your treatment part. Okay, now we start the treatment. And when you're doing this treatment, please keep moving the working handle. Don't stay in one position. Keep moving, okay? There are two tips for this working handle, okay? This one is for the face treatment, and this one is for the eye treatment. When you want to insert a new tip, just match the hole, match the right position, and press. It is okay. And this tip is for the face treatment. Okay, when you want to remove this working handle, we just need to remove 3 screws. It's okay. Okay, remove these 3 screws and then take out these screws. Okay, after take out those 3 screws, then we just need to take out this working handle. It's okay. When you want to insert the working handle again, just match the hole inside and then press. Please be attention that we should match the mark, okay? For example, cavitation, we should insert to the cavitation hole, and the body handle should match the body handle. Just be attention to the mark, and we should follow these marks and then insert well the working handle. Okay, and after you insert well this working handle, just insert well the screw and use a tool to tie it. It's okay. Tie all these screws, then the working handle is installed well, and they are the same, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 handles are the same. And for this wastewater bottle, when you want to clean it, when you want to clean the water inside, just use a towel and press the button. Press the button and release the wastewater inside. Is okay. Or you can use a tool to remove this wastewater bottle. We just need to put this tool inside and then turn left, and the wastewater bottle will be loose. Then just take out this water bottle and then clean the water inside. Okay, clean it and then install well again. Please make sure this water bottle should be tightened on the machine. Otherwise, it will influence the vacuum, okay?